Alright, so let me just show us how I use VN to do our video. So I go to VN. Now I want to use it to edit the ones that you have probably seen. So this is how I do it. So I go to plus when I get to VN to create a new video. Then I say new project. So it brings all the videos that I've recorded. So in the EA project with TV, we have the one that we have in the video that I introduced. So I pick that one. Then I pick the video I want to edit. Then I have a video that I use to close the thanks for watching. I have that one. So I'm picking it too, making three of them. So the next thing to do is I go down, like I said, the arrow, I click on it. So it's going to bring me the template where I'll be able to finish my editing. And so here now, like so you will see everything now. I don't want to add any, I'm not putting any music, I'm not putting anything. I just want to finish the video and send it. Then and that's what I'm just trying to do. So the only thing I just need to do is to click on that right hand corner at the top and click on export. Then I look at it, I say I want it to go ahead and export. So it will export the video right now. And so it's rendering. So and after rendering, once you finish it, it's going to drop it in my file manager where I can be able to upload to either YouTube or Facebook, anywhere I want to upload to. So that's just the simple way. That's the way we do our videos when I use VN. And once it completes rendering, the next thing I do is I'll pick it from there, upload it to YouTube, give it a name, so I'll give it a title that I want to give it, and then you have the video. So anytime you have our videos, any of our videos you must have seen some of our videos that come. This is the way. This is the way we do them. This is behind the scene. I'm trying to show you behind the scene of our video. This is how I. So with my smartphone, once we have the video record, once we have the video or any video recorded, we have them recorded. The next thing we do is that so I can do it. I can do my videos on the go. I don't need my laptop here. So it's not all the time that I use laptop. The time I use laptop is when I sit down with the laptop to record direct, talk direct. And even some of those cases, I still bring them to my phone or I to edit. So when I have other things to do and need to go out and other things, so I do my videos on the go. It's easy for me when I use mobile because I can be able to do other things, be on my way out, attend to other things while I'm doing the rendering on my phone. Meanwhile, you can for laptop. Another thing is that because of the issue of electricity, so with my once I have all my videos recorded, then light doesn't disturb me as long as I have my phone powered and the battery is good, then I can always do my video. And then it's even make it more easier. So it's not all the time I have to go sit down with the laptop to edit videos. Of course, I have the videos I edit on my laptop that have the process of doing that. But I see that this is faster for so many people and it's easier for them. It's not everybody that has laptop. So if you don't have laptop, cannot say because I don't have laptop, so I cannot do video. No, you can do videos even without a laptop. You can do your videos and you can see this what I'm showing you. So once this one complete rendering now, the next thing that I will do is I bring it up to YouTube and make it available for you to watch. So thank you.